Good morning, guys. I will wait for a couple of seconds whether someone will join. And to make a quick analysis to see this perfect trade from yesterday, I want a little bit to discuss it because it's important to know. I mean, for you, probably it's important so you can see those all these things. I will erase everything. But look, Friday the price creates this impulse, and let's start from the scratch. Let's see if we measure this impulse and look. So we have an impulse, correction, impulse, slow correction, like a triangle or something. Like this is like the moment when the price reaches some area and starts to create this, how to say it in English, I don't know, but starts to make this consolidation, and literally we are waiting for a breakout. So in this case the breakout happens and you can see this insane impulse which matches with the previous one, because this is how market works most of the time. So after that it reaches somewhere near the previous all-time high. Probably there is some order block also here, but I'm not pretty sure about it because there is a huge fall. Probably it's rejected like an order block. So the price reached it, and sorry, not here. Because you know, yeah, guys, I will make this analysis on English and we'll enter in Bulgarian directly after that. So I will be quick. After this huge fall, we are marking the last bullish candle. In this case, you can see that on 15 minutes was one candle, on 5 minutes it's like a double top. So when we have a situation like that, we mark the whole area, like the whole, like a double top here. After that, yesterday the price reached the area, and first it created, I will not go on 1 minute because there is no point, I just want to show you a head and shoulders pattern. I thought that it looks good, but it didn't close very well and it was still early. So that's why I decided to not do anything. And if I draw one trend line here, nothing that it's not perfect, but you can see on the bottoms the price literally just hit the trend line and fulfill the whole profit. If we match it, perfectly fulfill the profit on head and shoulders, which brings us something like 1-to-1 trade if you decide to enter it. After that it creates a new high, and again, okay, let me switch to 1 minute. Yo guys, it's so cold this morning that my air conditioning is struggling to start, that's why I'm with jacket. So again, here we have something like a head and shoulders, but I decided to treat it more like a double top. So for me, on this double top was still a little bit early to enter because of this huge impulse again to the upper side. So I decided that there are more volumes for buy and don't want to rush. You can watch the analysis from yesterday. So after that, when the price breaks here and returns, I saw the opportunity in these candles right here, because this is pure volumes. When we see candles like this, which are on 1 minute 55 pips, this means that the volumes are here. That's why I decided somewhere here to enter the trade and told you that I will watch for the bottom right here. And I still think that the price is heading to there because in my opinion this is not order book because there is no break of structure on the upper side. So still at this current moment the price is in bearish situation. Now look, this is a good liquidity area, this highs right here. Also I think this rise, like let me see on 15 minutes probably, again on 5, probably this candle right here. This candle will probably, because you can see if we just put some like a trend line, probably something like that, I think there is a high potential for something like this to happen. But basically I think that the price will head to the bottom. And again, to tell you that after 5 hours or 6 hours from now, there are many important news, so we will see. Yeah, also this bottom from yesterday, because someone wrote just now, the price breaks it and creates a head and shoulders pattern. There is a possibility of creating a head and shoulders pattern, but still, if we measure it, these are super basic strategies, but you can see I catch this candle, but it might be the whole area, or it might be a liquidity area. So, you know, when we are making analysis, we have to see all the possibilities. So basically, I think that this is a possible setup, but not high likely to happen. But if it still creates the head and shoulders pattern, it might just go to here or even grab the liquidity on these tops and to go to search the bottom again. Because guys, you know, the market is moving in this way that it has to grab some liquidity. That's why yesterday I told you it's still early here, and that's why I put the stop loss above the area right here, above the top, because I thought that there is a potential. Look how the price retraces here, and I saw a possibility that the price returns one more time, so hit our stop losses and then to make this huge fall. It didn't happen in this situation, it was better, but if we have entered based on the double top strategy, it could have bring us a 1 to almost 10 return risk reward trade, but I decided to extend the stop loss a little bit because just for protection. As you know, lately the market is moving like this, that only goes to grab liquidities and after that makes this huge and good movements. So guys, hit one like on the video, and just to tell you, Friday, don't forget to participate in the tournament. It will be very interesting. The only thing that you should need to do is $1,000 demo account, open $1,000 demo account, and to trade on Friday. The best profit will be participating for 1,000 Bulgarian levels in prize pools for the first 3 places. So it will be very interesting and will be the start of something bigger that I have in my mind. We will see what will happen, but this is a project for 2026. Okay, so for now, this is it, a potential head and shoulders, but eventually if it breaks, in my opinion, we have to search for 1-to-1 or something like that, and probably to check again for some trend lines here and something like that. But I still think that this bottom is a potential zone. Okay, guys, this is for now. I'm entering on Bulgarian in 5 minutes.